Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia, and Tige Boats. This is the 2019 RZX3. I'm starting on the back of the boat so I can show you the Transom Locker. You can fit 2 to 3 wake surfs in the back, keeping it convenient so you don't have to get anybody else in the boat wet or walk on the sides. Or if the board racks are filled up, it's extra storage here. In these storage compartments here, you've got the plug and play bags that come with the boat, 4,500 pounds on each side. Underneath the floor, you've got a total of 3,000 pounds. All together, you're coming right out of the box with 3,900 pounds stock ballast. Moving forward, standard for the RZX3 in 2019 is the Inmar Raptor 6.2 liter, the 440 engine. Comes down with a 2 to 1 transmission ratio. Here is a reverse seating to watch the rider. We've got it all the way across the sides. Another thing that comes standard for the RZX3 is the E2 power tower built by Tige. It also has the RGB LEDs that come around the speakers, and the speakers system that come with Tige are the industry-leading marine audio manufacturer Wet Sounds. Here at the helm, you've got the 10.5-inch screen where you can navigate your rider profiles, ballast system, stereo controls. Another thing I really like about the RZX3 comes standard is the smart wheel. You can control your cruise control, your volume, your track playlist, surf settings, everything you need that you're going to use just about every 5 minutes or so when you're riding. They've also cut down the dash to keep your visibility very clear, so you never worry about bow rides getting in the way, seeing whenever you're surfing. I really like this part in the glove box. Your battery switches are conveniently located here. You can tell whenever you shut the glove box how sturdy these boats really are. It's really nice, built like a tank, really, as I would say. Down here is storage that goes all the way towards the transom, so if you have skis or anything, wake surfs, you can all fit it underneath these seats. Here's the cubby hole. It comes through. It comes with the soft pack Yeti ice cooler whenever you purchase your new Tige. Moving forward up to the front, here in the bow space, you've got a big wide open space. You can fit probably 4 adults up here if you wanted to. Got speakers, cup holders, USB ports, whole 9 yards to be up here and be comfortable. Got a windscreen here that you can put down for cold evenings, or you also have heaters that come through those underneath the driver's seat. There's a hose that comes out and you can stay warm on a cold morning or after a rainstorm. But again, this is the 2019 RZX3 built by Tige Boats, and we're here at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. So come down and see us and we'll go surfing and see what it's all about. Thanks.